In this video, I'm going to talk about how Afterpay works on Cash App. So you may have noticed that you have the Afterpay option linked directly to your Cash App account. So how this works essentially, if you go into the Money tab here, then you should be able to see Afterpay as long as you are using your Cash App account. So how does this work? Basically, your account will be selected for a specific amount of money, which will be pre-approved, and you can use Afterpay on stuff to pay in installments. So how this is going to work, essentially, you will see the option for Afterpay, and then depending on your spending amount, so how much you have spent using Cash App, and essentially how you use Cash App, it's going to dictate the amount which you can use on Afterpay. And you can buy stuff using Cash App, but the money will be taken through Afterpay, but essentially it will not require a separate Afterpay account. So I hope this answers your question. You can use Afterpay directly through Cash App. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.